Hi, so we are here again at MEF 5th edition in India, and we have with us a very well-known personality, Nayan. She is associated with Telin. This is a pleasure meeting you, Nayan.
Hi Neha, nice to meet you
So,
too.
most of us already know you. We just wanted you to, if you can just give us a brief about yourself and your company, what does it do?
Sure. First of all, thanks for having me here. It's a pleasure to be part of MEF India 5th edition. So I am Nayan Paranjpe. I work for Telin and I take care of digital platform business, including New Traffics, which is a digital marketplace for voice, SMS, virtual number. We have our own CPaaS platform, New Epics, and very new Signal Trust. That's our platform for network API, mainly mobile number verification.
Okay. That's great to know. So I just wanted to know, like, it's in 5th edition, and as far as I know, you have attended last 3 or 4 MEF events we have organized in India. So what brings you here? Like, what is that key thing that you know like about MEF, or you should suggest people visiting here?
Yeah, so it's been a pleasure. As I said, this is my fourth, I think, event. I missed one in last year,
Yeah.
but overall, it's the event itself, the participation is growing year on year,
Yeah.
and the kind of topics that are being discussed in the event, the panel discussion, fireside chat, to the number of attendees coming from various segments.
Yeah.
So overall, it's a good experience to be part of this event.
Great. So as far as I know from your introduction, you are basically working on the technical part also, as such as the network API part. So I just wanted to know, as SMS is changing, the industry is changing very fast. So how would you see this in future in terms of technicality and in terms of the wholesale side of the business?
Yeah, yeah. So I would like to look at this way. We have seen the internet evolution at that point in time.
Yeah.
How the change it brought in our lives. Then we have seen voice.
Yeah.
People used to say voice is going to die, voice
Yeah.
is declining, but it's still there.
Yeah.
It's evolving in different forms. Similarly, now it's the turn of SMS, right?
Yeah.
Wherein it has been the traditional channel for authentication, marketing, etc. But we see that there are various channels available now, like WhatsApp, RCS.
Yeah.
Now we have network API. So for enterprises, our aim is to create a platform or create, a marketplace for them wherein they can choose their convenient channel. Let's say they can choose maybe VABA for marketing, they can choose RCS for utility, and they can choose network API for authentication.
Yeah.
So this is what we want to create and enable them so that it's a win-win situation for the enterprises and MNOs both.
Yeah.
That's where the industry is leading actually.
Great. So I can understand, like, it has a bigger scope in future. It's not dying, it's evolving
It's
every
evolving,
day.
definitely.
Okay. Great to know. At the last, I would just like to know, like, you are associated with Globe Tele Services since long. We know each other. So how would you suggest us, like, your feedback regarding the partnership, regarding the services with Globe Tele Services?
So we have been a partner in recent exclusivity, which
Yes.
is Dialogue. So it's been pleasure working with GTS team, and the speed at which you're growing. Wish you good luck and
Thank
keep
you.
doing good things.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah. So that is all for us. It was lovely hearing you, and it's a pleasure you are here. And I hope you are enjoying the event, and we will continue growing together.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank
Neha,
you for your
having me
time.
here.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.